Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to recover and save Word document. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So first, let me open my Microsoft Word here. Now, let's just say you haven't saved a file right here because of some reasons like blackout or electricity problem or internet problem. Then all you have to do here is tap on the file option. And then here you have to look for recover and save documents. That is one right here. And then these are the unsaved documents. And let's just say if you want to recover one, for example, this one right here, tap this one, click and open, and you will see it right away. And all you have to do is tap on save as and then locate a folder or location and then tap on save. As easy as that. Another way is that you can open the general options. So tap this one right here and go to settings rather or option. And then here you have to scroll down and tap on save. And then what you're going to do is you have to copy this auto recover file location. Now go back to your PC and then paste this one right here. Press enter. You will see here auto recovery. You will see here all of the files that you need to recover. So for example, if you want to recover this and save file right here, so you have to copy this one, you have to copy this and then go back to your file, click open, and then you can just basically paste it. And here it is. Basically, this is how you recover and save documents on your PC.